What? 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 Sagma. 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 Isa. Isa ponga. She's fascinated in the shadows. Morning cheese and welcome back to my channel, and we have another vlog, another installment of Vlogmas 22. It's in consistency and they're back. Anyway guys, morning. Today is the 22nd of December 2022. It's a little bit after, let's say 6 o'clock. Guys, ANC, ESCOM, when I catch you. Low setting as I'm in the middle of it because it left an hour earlier as it was scheduled, and I had planned around that, son. Ndavuka mbane akakabuyi. So ndigqibezela loo nto bendenza izolo prepare kutya kaliyana sivukile, otherwise siselala kakuhle hope umlele kakuhle wayifumana le mini siyambulele usombawo ngosicina. And then we're gonna get ready for the beach. Guys, aspire to be like me. I'm joking guys. We'll catch up as the day progresses later. I woke up on the right side of the bed. But I'm so grateful for her. So grateful for her. My bestie. Hey bestie. Hey bestie. Hey bestie. Hey. Hey. Anyway guys, these are the carrots that I was boiling last night, so I just boiled them with plain water. And then what I'm going to do, I bought a stick blender from Checkers. It's better to use a stick blender than an actual blender because it's easy to wash. I just rinse this literally in warm water, soapy warm water. So I'm going to blend this now, let it cool down overnight obviously. I'm going to blend it and then add some butter and a little bit of brown sugar. Just for some flavor and obviously some fats, some good fats. So let's do that. As you can see, I just added some, first of all, I whizzed it. And you guys can see the consistency. It's not a puree because Liana is old now, she's 9 months. So at least she has to get used to new textures. Now we just something smooth that she just gulps down. She needs to be able to master the chewing mechanism and yeah, just to taste and explore different textures. So I just put a bit of brown sugar and some butter. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave and then I'm gonna scoop it out and put it in the freezer, but I'll take too long. Everything mixed in, and then what I do is Lena eats she's supposed to eat about 6 to 7, 8 teaspoons of food per serving. So what I do is I measure that out onto these ice trays that I got from Pep Home. They're very big. Mine have broken because I used to store them in the fridge for the whole month, so it was difficult to get the food out, so I think it was a bit rough. So what I do now is I freeze them overnight, and then I use these freezer bags, and then I keep them in the freezer. This is just apple from like beginning of the month, so it lasts longer. And what I do is, because I don't have enough, I only have 2 of these, is I freeze overnight, take them out, then freeze over, like, so that I have lots of food stored. Load shedding, guys, I can't cook for her every single day, so I have to have something ready just to thaw out the night before. So this works perfectly for me. So if you have a baby and you've been struggling how to feed her and stuff like that because of the load shedding, I hope this will help. Also, let me turn you guys around. And another reason I think Lena wasn't gaining weight fast enough was because I wasn't putting butters and sugars. And I'm just really like, then I'm in better in clean eating, son. Imagine having to worry about weight your entire life, about your adult life. Now, umntanakho is you fighting against makangabi underweight, magabe bigger, such a juxtaposition. But anyway, so this is what I managed to get out of a packet of one packet of carrots. This one is a little bit it's not full to the brim. So what I usually do, if perhaps the sweet potato or the apple now you've been blocking gaga, I just put them together so she'll have enough to eat. And as she grows older and she demands more, I'll just use 2 blocks. And then I interchange. Sometimes she'll have apple or sweet potato or carrots or broccoli, whatever veggie I choose that month. And then yeah guys, I think that's basically it regarding Liana's full prep. So I'm just going to put this into the freezer, and then I'm going to do the mashed potato and the apple, and I'm going to get ready for the beach. This is why I don't leave my brows to outgrow for too long, because I don't up. But nothing a Dweber Ashia cannot fix. I just finished shaving my brows and drying my hair because obviously I couldn't do it last night. My hair's grown so much, guys. Like, I'm so proud of it. You guys can see. And anyone who knows me knows that I'm not anyway. So now I want to show you guys mine and Lily's outfit, Lily and I's outfit, and then yeah. Mama Bear is wearing, it's that a pink shirt of mine that I got in the Shein set. Then my denim shorts from Shein. Then these are my white shades from Zando. And then I'm wearing my white swimsuit from Shein. I don't think if you guys have seen it in a haul, but I got it sometime. Remember? And then Lily Patut doesn't have a swimsuit yet. I'm yet to order one on Shein. For her birthday. I wanted to order for her birthday in March next year, because we're thinking of going to the bush. Because I want to go. Just this vest from Ackerman's bib, checkers, hat, pip. It's the cutest thing ever. And then if it gets cold or she gets wet or whatever, I have to have a second, not cold per se, but because I'm 28 and 9 I'm trying so I go band, but and then for no party romba anyhow because of an sand. So she just has this onesie. It's so cute. It's giving Earth Child, but they got purple. Actually, not Earth Child, Zara, H&M type of vibe. And then a little love. They came in a set of 3, in a pink. So that is us for the afternoon. Hey Sana, his lashes with no makeup on. But they're cute anyway. We just finished getting ready now. We're just waiting for our boat and we will be. And my love phone featured it first to be vlog, yeah. But and we'll be on our way. Liana looks so cute, guys. And but she's fighting. Jeez. Didn't see why Lynn don't go. Elise, we have. Chow, come up in walk. Lisa, I got a little cheese or nank. Oh, you won't attack. I'm poor man, you.
Oh.
Hi, sister. Like probably in a case of a cabin feed. I guess I'll push a look at me more. Say hi to the cheese. Yappy. Yes. Angizeli sa. Tina. Move in. We're trying to find to get to the beach, guys. It's a new beach to us. So, TTY. It's very bad here, but Lily wants some biltong that she wants to sing. So we're just chilling with you guys. We're just chilling. We just took some pictures. We're just gonna have lunch now and then go home because it's Lily's nap time. But this is such a pretty beach. It's called Sacramento. It's literally down the road from where we live. So nice being in a new city because you get to explore and find new gems, etc., etc. Hey. I don't think you guys can even see me. Here's my cousin. Like, why don't you stand, son? And the man's tipping knees that way too, guys, just to freshen up. There you go. Such a good time at the beach. Look at that. Linka Isa. Man Isa. Hampo man Isa. Yeah. There's a Hogsback. Sana guys, there's you. It was going no 10 kgs and extra best fube. Oh, but she had a good time. She was all worth it. So, if you got Kungan.